Ebusia mama wakwa ba Enfamba Attention TV so fela o fela eso enye insembi abetudwa efa Shatta Wale ho a ene enim se Shatta Wale eyenyumtini o Ghana memu ha se ye kanyumtofo mpenifo dia na ontimi nkan no emfrem we ana odi insembi abetudwa ede afa Ghana man mpenifo a se wode asem abetudwa so na wode ma Ghana fo anase wona wo hye wate se anka wo fan ye adwuma dia anka wo se wotie omo na akwese aban we ye oti studio mpese obeti obi na chese asemi a Shatta Wale eka hu na ene Elevy ya Ghana memu ha se no wode 2022 budget ebeto dwa wo chese we yito but efri ho na ye de Elevy aba a yenti ase mu no bedodo na abeka se electronic levies a eno no eye tax in the form of tax a ukosende mobile money a ye bete amount bi e de free so na we ana Shatta Wale ni buafu a ne wre so aho chese ono kra de sa Elevy ni de o toa so boawom ye be hu se Yvonne Nelson so ege obi ono so wabeka Elevy ni ho asem kakra Captain Smart so ka na chese celebrities na hodura wa na enso odo ho agimu se Elevy de anka be yanka abai entwentwensense mu kakra na anka wo education a Ghana fo na beti access o de Elevy ni ba Ghana fo enya hwenka na we ana Shatta Wale agine mu ka se na Ghana leaders na ya na won refi se ye na ye wase ne ya ne vote ema wu like utimi kra be ye president and also utimi be ye leader and intini say we take decision bi na obi a wo wase complain a was say 10 year to the person abusia mayenko tie bra Shatta Wale etirechire nsemi na so ansa na no wana wase masne ene University Foundation eye foundation bi odi ne hosi wase wana woni bie ejankane mobrowa ana ye odi behwe eno ntino Valentine's Day ebe ankonam anase ekuo bi a maye madwen se mo pese mo de muni ekuo bi anase orphan bi anase ekunafo bi edi vows day na ebo mu ne de anhwe biafo ani atwemu fweni ekopie mu ewa University Foundation friend ewa 054 8302 054 8302 me enkohwe video no embassy ya
and the way you put it around the country Charlie they pay me say man no grow say man we man won also help the country because right now people they make the thing they look like if you get opportunity where you get your chance where you can't get power you can take any decision you want. Everybody talk about Elevy. Everybody talk about Elevy. Yes, it's nice. You understand? It's nice. It's good. You people want to make the system look, like that. But bad man, create measures, create things for the citizens not to complain. So when they do this, they go and say, "Oh, we all the build up. Don't work like the country be your own. Work with us. Think about human beings. Why do we see when our own people like animal?" The face your brother is as the animal, he no get sense, he no take decision. Why? They just bring it to the people and you hear the people complain and we don't pay attention to the people, and these are the same people that put their thumbs on the paper to vote for presidents. It's sad though. It's sad. It's sad. It's very, very sad. But I just want to tell Ghanaians something. Start holding yourself as a Ghanaian. And just keep singing that song. Arise, Ghana youth, for your country. Arise, Ghana youth, for your country. It's bad. It's bad that certain decisions are being taken and we don't take it serious. It's very bad. It's very, very bad. If we don't make serious for this country, see, we go tire.
abusuafo yem gidi se wankasa wahwe video na ho wan fancy hwa ye wagana memu ha sei ana ye de betu dwa mpenifo betu dwa se ye hwe bet ya abai obi kura utimi hu se ye di ni sika an o se o twa ni o wini poda se o twa na kire se yuta ya be ye ni akohwe bet yi achen se yankasa de ya ho de atwede amponyankopon e de adom ye no e ba koye adwuma na anka ya pe bibi e de egu ya ta so na so anya sakra ana etienti e ba se anka ban no e ya wanjen se adwuma yi anka obetwam kakra na kire se youth for waba obehwe because obitimi kotena bet pa the whole day not so twa bet we ni kra na a team broken heart enum ani ehun ze celebrities ni mu binum be kaseti aye nanso we de Shatta Wale ye nim obi o hye na bufuo odi afuto na eba we na odi to aso ye hun se Stone Boy enam social media kire se ya onu so educate se anko no de ebe ye pan de anko foa aban so se bet ne nyamo na akeka ho na anko pese otwemu na anka ontwem na we ana Shatta Wale edi nsem bia to dwa na nsem no anso Stone Boy nko aso ekoso jakia pia so a atem didie no emu odu papa epaye ebusia enye ne di atem Shatta Wale ne di atem no de yenkoti ya di atem no bi embra ne bohwa na ne bofu ne nim no aka no se ne girl na wonya no foforo no ne ose woni ne jayo se danyo ne ye nim enti ebusia ori yenkoti kakra Attention TV yenya no yen fa mbeso mu no yenkoti embra sia
sound like that. All you Stone Boy fans where they support Stone Boy, you see the way your artists be cheap. They be fucking cheap. They be fucking cheap. Those girls where they feel Jackie Appiah, see Jackie Appiah there. Ask yourself, when be the last time Jackie Appiah do movie where the movie hit? See King of Boys. King of Boys. See Nigeria. See the thing they do. That woman, he act out, but still be legend. Jackie Appiah ain't no be legend though. Make her tell you something. You hear me type for the way me end time. You're a legend. Yeah, you move from things you do for love. The time you do things you do for love, then I go London come. Then you know if you sit plane, forget yourself. The time you do things for love, things we do for love, things you do with push up. That be Jagabi. Come on for that. You know if you your poverty life come day my top and come day. It's something where do something like this.
Abusia ende aha anamede ensem no ebesi Attention TV sunie Attention TV ewo YouTube as Attention TV okwa no subscribe ama me na wa like na wa share ensama me YouTube Attention TV je okọ no so a na wa follow na wa sanso a share na wa like e de ama me fila esunie Attention TV we inspire you more makram.